What I want to do today is connect our Amazon Alexa and Facebook apps so that whenever we ask Amazon Alexa to send a prompt, a Facebook message will automatically be sent out into our selected Facebook page. Zapier is a no-code tool that makes it easier for anyone to automate workflows across 5,000 plus apps. If you don't have an account, there's a link in the description for a free 2-week trial so you can try it risk-free. Let's dive in. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a zap by clicking the button on the left-hand side of the screen. Because I want Amazon Alexa to trigger the creation of a Facebook message, I'll need to use Amazon Alexa as my trigger. I can find the app by typing it into the search bar and clicking below. The trigger screen will then pop up. I should click Trigger Phrase Spoken as my event and then click Continue. Setting this as the trigger means that anytime Amazon sees that I have sent a voice message to my Amazon Alexa, it's going to run this workflow. I want to send messages to my coworker John. So under trigger phrase, I'll type send a message to John. And then under additional prompt questions, I'll type what would you like to say? And then I'll click continue. You're all set with the first step. Click continue and we can start creating our action. Type in Facebook Messenger into the search bar and select it on the drop-down menu. Next, click send message from page and click continue. From there, I can select our account and authenticate Facebook Messenger with Zapier, just like I did with my Amazon account. By the way, if at any point you get stuck, Zapier's got an amazing support team that can help you out. There's a link in the description to their forum post for this specific workflow. Click Continue and it's time to assign our Trigger Apps data into the Action Apps field. First, pick the page you want to use for your Zap. Next, type in your recipient ID number. If you don't have this data, you can find it by going to a separate Zap and typing in Facebook Messenger as the trigger. You'll want to go through all the steps and then select any action step. I'll use Gmail. Fill out the data required until you get up to the Set Your Action, and then, when you have the ability to click on a drop-down menu, copy your recipient ID from the Zap you are currently in and paste it on the recipient ID section of the Zap that you were working on before. Last, under Text, select the question you want to use for your Zap. I'll click my follow-up question, which is, what would you like to say? And then I'll click Continue. Next, click Test Action, and I should be all set. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, anytime we ask Amazon Alexa to send a prompt, a Facebook message will automatically be sent out to our selected Facebook page. I hope this was a helpful demo. Zapier can do so much more with these two apps and thousands of others. Check Zapier out. There's a free trial. Click the link in the description.